Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to add ADB to the path so that we can access it from any folder via command prompt. So to add ADB to the path, first locate your ADB file. It comes with Android SDK and it is under Platform Tools folder. So for example, in my case, it is located in C drive under the folder structure My Docs, then Android SDK, then Platform Tools. So now that I have located my ADB file, right click on this PC, open properties, then open advanced system settings, go to environment variables, under system variables edit the path, click on new and enter the ADB file location. Then click on OK, again OK. You might need to restart your computer. Once you have added ADB to the path and restarted the computer, you should be able to access ADB command from anywhere via command prompt. For example, I am accessing my ADB command from root directory. If you like this video, press the like button, comment any suggestion or request for the tutorials you want, and subscribe to get future tutorials.